Nah, 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 nah. Nah, cut that off. Cut that off.
Can somebody
Cut that off.
explain
Cut that off, bro.
what really going on here?
Nah, nah, nah.
What going on
There
here?
you go. There you go.
Somebody explain what's up right here? What is the black, huh?
I don't know what's in that.
What is in a bag?
I don't know, bro. Don't know what's that right there. That's shit.
Is what? But it looked like something, gas escaping somewhere.
I don't know. That shit gonna stay right there, bro. Cause I don't know how that's gonna move. You gotta wash that
If
shit.
it dry, it might pick up easy, but
You gotta wait till the sun come out for that, bro. It's gonna be sunny tomorrow. We deal with that.
look what we got here. Look what we got here. We got a hose there. We got a hose there. We got a hole there. So where that shit come from?
Moving, bro.
Up there?
Yeah.
So you're saying that do it and just throw it through the window? Shucks. So what we come at that? So what you gotta do that broom and the finish, Lado?
Hey, don't touch me with that shit, man.
Nah, I'm not touching you. What you talk about?
How you going now?
Let that shit go back in the house, man. Let that shit back there. Go drop in the basement.
How you going today, Lado?
That shit gotta stay right there.
How you going Black, huh?
That shit dry. That shit gotta stay until that shit dry. I'm not touching that. I ain't walking over there. Man, me smelling like some other shit. Shit, some cold ass shit we did over there, man. Nice motherfucker, man.
No, man.
So, shit. So what is it?
That's shit, bro.
Sawdust. Sawdust.
Don't believe he, bro.
Sawdust. Sawdust.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, when the kids dry, you can do it. Not no, not right now, bro. You gonna be walking home smelling like shit.
So,
Oh, when that shit dry, you can just scrape that shit up.
but we have a lot of rain, so how you gonna dry it?
Man, that is good. You're gonna drive one day.
God is good for real. But yeah, this is what a house that locked down for many, many years would look like. Because what happened there, we had squatters that was living in this house. They occupy it, and there were no running water, no light. So the only thing they would do is just do what they do. All right? But yeah, we have a brand new layout here for this project. So stay tuned. Just feeding you bit by bit on this project.